best friends and cousins too. Color pencils, paper and glue. It's crafty fun time, creating with you. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe.
Hey Crafty Crafters! Welcome back to Crafty Fun with Katie and Lily. Today's activity, you can see that it's kind of Girl Scout based because I have on my Girl Scout vest. I am a junior and I'm about to be a cadet very soon. Now, we're going to be taking some of our favorite Girl Scout cookies, like Lemon Ups and Trefoils, and making them into a delicious recipe. One of the recipes we're doing is cheesecake cup. We're going to be trying out this recipe today. We will need some strawberries, some chocolate, this one's sugar-free, some trefoils, some lemon nuts, and whipped cream. Well, let's get on to the video. Hey Crafty Crafters, welcome back!
With Katie and Lily.
We are going to be doing the cheesecake cup. And these are all the ingredients that we will need.
Yeah, I'm gonna have trefoils, strawberries, vanilla pudding, and me and Katie are gonna have some chocolate.
And we're going to be using cream cheese. Now I'm going to be using raspberries, lemon ups, and instead of vanilla pudding, I'm going to be using some lemon pudding. Well, I'm using lemon ups because they have inspirational sayings on them, and I really like lemon. And we also got these cute little bowls.
Yeah.
Crafters, so we're going to get started. So Lily is going to take
trefoil.
We're going to take half a bag of trefoils, and she's going to cut it up. But since these cookies are a little bit bigger, we're just going to use 9 out of these. So let's put them in. You need help opening it? Oh, sorry, open. Open it a little bit more for you.
Thank you, Katie.
You're welcome, Lily.
So satisfying, yeah, Katie.
Get the air out, close it, and there you go.
Yep.
Start crushing. Now I'm just gonna put them in.
Okay, I'm gonna sit.
This is our crustings.
Yeah.
You did a great job, Lily.
Thanks.
You did it all by yourself. So we're going to move on to making the pudding, so that way we can mix the cream cheese to the pudding. But first we have to make it. I'm going to help Lily a little bit. You want to hold this?
Sure.
No, I mean like down here for me. Each bowl.
Yep, 2 cups for each bowl. Huh? Look, Katie.
Wow.
It smells good. You should smell it.
It does smell good. Smells like vanilla. Mine smells like, they smell like the lemon ups cookies. We don't have to whisk. So we have to take turns.
Here, Katie.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome back. We made the pudding thanks to the magic of editing. we're gonna be adding the cream cheese into both of ours.
Yeah.
And do yours first, Lily.
Okay. Okay. Careful.
Yeah.
Okay. My mix it in.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's hard. Just try to mash it up. They got my thumb.
I think it'll work better if we had a fork. Can you hand me a fork, honey? Okay. Hey, so we missed a big step. We should have softened it, and we didn't know what that means until her dad came in and told us. Well, so by soften the cream cheese, I mean just put it in the microwave. So yeah, we should have done that, but we're just gonna get a hand blender because it's too late now. And we're gonna blend this baby.
It's cooling me. Katie's cooling me up.
You can still see some clumps in it.
It's my turn.
So you're gonna hold it, and you're gonna hold the bowl with this hand, and then you're gonna turn it off. Keep it down, don't pull it up. We're ready to start layering our What order are we supposed to put all these delicious treats in?
We're supposed to do plums, pudding, and then strawberries, Katie.
Oh, thank you, Lily.
You're welcome.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Plums.
I forgot.
I'm sorry, what were you going to say, Lily?
I said I forgot because I wasn't paying attention. Sorry, Katie.
Oh, that's okay.
Sorry.
I'm going to make it flat.
It's making so much mess, Katie. Look.
Oh, that's okay. We'll clean it up. It's a little bit messy. This is what I've done so far. What have you done so far, Lily?
Okay. This is cool.
We're gonna get some more pudding. Put it in there. Smoothen it out.
Do we mix it in, Katie? I don't know what to do.
Nope, you just put it over there. You don't want to mix it yet. Next, we're going to add our fruit. I'm going to be using raspberries.
Okay, and I'm going to be using strawberries.
Remember, you want to lay it flat.
Oh, I'm going to
That way you
take
can
this
do your
off.
next layer.
No.
Yes.
Do you think this is enough, Katie? You think it's enough?
I think you should add a little bit more.
Okay. I put one in the middle. Cookie?
Cookie.
Okay. Where do we put our cookies?
We put it on top to
Okay.
decorate it. No, not laying it down. You
Oh.
want it to stay sticking up. Yeah, like that. Good job, Lily. And then you're gonna put one over across of it and right next to it, like right here.
Okay, right here.
No, move it a little bit over
Right here?
there. Yep, just about.
Yeah.
Let's turn it for our viewers to see.
See? This is what we made so far. Daddy, look.
Okay, now you're gonna add your chocolate.
Yay, I love chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna add my chocolate first. I'm gonna add the chocolate first. Can you help me, Katie?
Of course I can.
Thank you.
Now remember, you just want to do a little drizzle.
Wait, I just gotta turn it over. What?
Ooh, you want to drizzle it. Ooh,
That's my best I can do.
that's okay, Lily. You did an awesome job.
Daddy, look. I put a little too much. Yours is so big, Katie.
Thank you.
I love those.
Let's turn it for our viewers to see.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost forgot to add my chocolate.
Yeah. Then we're gonna put whipped cream on the top.
Ooh. All right, a little bit too much, I think. It's really easily.
That's what she made so far. Then we're gonna do the whipped cream. No, next we're gonna do the whipped cream. It's That's weird.
You want me some help?
Huh?
You need some help? Or you think got it?
I think I got it right here.
Mm-hmm. And you're going to push down when you want some to come out. You got it? You want my help? Oh, we almost forgot. We gotta shake it. Okay, here you go.
I can do it. Hey.
Here you go. Okay, I'll help you.
There we go.
Got the little poop.
No.
Then
This is mine so far. Daddy.
and this is mine. It looks so good. The recipe needs a good judge, right?
Yeah.
Come on, can you run the judge?
Thank you. Daddy, come on. You can be the judge. Who's this better? Who's this better, mine or hers?
Those are both good.
Yeah.
Oh no, I spilled some chocolate on my cookies. We probably should have done the chocolate and then the cookies.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh,
Thank you.
what's yours?
Mine is lemon
You got
flavored.
lemon? You got lemon.
Try hers.
Thank you. This one is graham cracker. I don't do chocolate that way.
You don't like chocolate?
That's up.
Okay.
I heard that.
Thank you, taste tester.
I want to try.
You wanna try? Yeah, let's all taste it.
The lemon
It'll
and,
be
and
so
raspberry
good.
really taste good
Okay.
together.
Taste
I
my
want to taste it too.
Get some of that cookie in there and then put some of that strawberry too.
Okay. Don't eat all the whipped cream.
That was really good.
Okay. Thank you.
That was amazing.
Don't eat all my whipped cream
Okay.
or else
Try
I'll whip
yours?
you with my spoon.
Okay. Okay, the lemon and the raspberry.
Don't have
But I gotta get some of that
cream.
crust in there too.
You can try some more.
Mmm. And you know lemon is my favorite flavor, right? That's amazing.
Yeah, that is.
With the raspberries, you guys did a good job. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Girl Scouts rock.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is good.
Oh, Dad's dipping for more.
Mmm.
Taste mine. Taste the chocolate with the pudding.
Again.
That's good.
I want to taste yours.
Make sure to stay tuned for the next video where we make milkshakes.
Yeah. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Subscribe to that like button. Bye.
Mm.